friends, let's start with today's recipe. Now this is my very own recipe and it's a very simple one big pan recipe and it is super delicious. Now I'm using my cast iron pan, but if you don't have a cast iron pan, just use any heavy bottomed pan. So I'm going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil to my pan. I'm going to just put in the chicken breast. Now you can chop it up into small pieces, but I put the entire breast along with whatever little pieces were there. Now I'm going to add about 1/4 cup or 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Then I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of peri powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs like oregano and thyme, and you get this mixed herbs mixture, some salt to taste. And I'm just going to turn the chicken, a number of times in intervals till the meat becomes from a pink to a nice white. This should take you approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Now, if you have a cast iron pan, there's nothing like it because it really cooks very well in it. Or you can go with a heavy bottom pan or a thick non-stick pan. Well, like I said, you can chop up the chicken boneless breast into pieces first and put them, or you can just put the entire breast into the, oil. Now we want this to nicely get flavored with all of the spices. Now I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of English mustard. Now all the ingredients that you see here, I have put up a video on what I have in my kitchen pantry as to what I regularly use in my cooking. So I'll leave a link below. You can just go and see all those ingredients and then you'll get an idea, okay, what brand they are or what they look like. So do go and check out that video so you'll come to know, the mustard that I use, or the peri sauce that powder that I use, or the other seasonings that are generally used in my cooking. So you'll get an idea and you can get your hands on them. You can order them online. Now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. Now you can go with whatever, however spicy you like your food. You can add a little more, or if you don't want it very spicy, you can add a little less. Now I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of Tabasco sauce and about 1 tablespoon of sweet onion sauce. Now I'm just going to keep turning the chicken onto both the sides so that it gets nicely coated with all of this lovely ingredients that we've added. It just flavors the dish really well. Now I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of red wine. And again, I'm going to just turn the pieces of chicken in this wine mixture. And then I'm just going to cover and cook this from about 5 to 8 minutes on a very low flame. And then you can see, you can just test the chicken, it becomes really nice and soft and cooked very well. Now I'm just going to add about 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. And again, I'm going to cook it the same way. And then when my chicken is just going to get ready, I'm just going to take a fork and a knife and I'm just going to chop it up into bit-sized pieces like this. So you can do this at the beginning or you can do this once the chicken is nice and ready, and then just cook it for about a minute and then turn off the heat. So now I'm going to make some mashed potatoes. I've just taken 4 medium-sized potatoes, boiled them and peel them and just mash them. I've added a dollop of butter, some salt and some pepper, and you can add any greens that you have. You can add spring onions chopped fine, coriander, chives, anything, and just mash up the whole thing. So now for serving, I've just laid down the potato mash onto my plate first. Then I've just tossed some cut up French beans and carrots and a little bit of olive oil with a little salt, pepper and garlic powder. I've put that at the side. I've just taken some garlic bread and toasted it a bit, and dollop of hung curd, and that's my lovely meal all ready. So I leave all the measurements of all my ingredients and also how I made my garlic bread, how I made my tossed veggies, how I made my hung curd. You will find everything in the description box below. So do try out this recipe, guys, and leave your feedback in the comment section below. It's something really worth trying, and like I said, you can see all the ingredients in the video link that I leave down below. So thank you for watching and have a great day. I hope you try out this recipe and let me know in the comments box how you like today's recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon. I need those thumbs ups. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do, and hit the red subscribe button that you see below this video. Once you have subscribed, a little bell icon will show up. Click that, because that way whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same. Also, I have more than 500 recipes on my channel, so if you're looking for any particular recipe, when you go to the YouTube app and there's a search button, type the recipe you're looking for and immediately type Akshatas Recipes and my recipe will pop up first. For instance, if you're looking for vanilla ice cream with 3 ingredients, just type vanilla ice cream, Akshatas recipe, and mine will be the first. So that's the way to find me on YouTube. I also am very active on my Facebook page and my Instagram account. Both the links will be left in the description box below. You can go and check it out. So thank you so much for watching today's video and being a part of my channel. Take care of yourselves, guys. Stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. And I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. I'm signing off. Take care. Bye.